Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $33.37. 24-hour volume, we're down 49%, and market cap, we are down 10.79%. So heading over to the chart here, you guys, I've got it on a weekly chart. We're going to go through a day and then 2 hours as well. So on the weekly chart here, you guys, so far, again, we only have 2 days left in this week, and it's not looking good for Ethereum Classic. We did get rejected from an area of convergence, which essentially means an area of interest of our two fibs at 39.14. We do see the body so far for this week is heavily near the bottom of the wick. We can barely see the wick at the very bottom, but at the same time, if we do close at this area in the next 2 days, then essentially we're going to come down and retest our support here at the $30.39. We can see on August 22nd and August 29th, we've retraced to this level and was considered to be oversold on our RSI at 9%. So anything below 20% for our RSI is confirmed as oversold and possibly a opportunity to buy on a shorter time frame, you guys, because what we can see again for Ethereum Classic is we are retesting the area of our 50 moving average. So this white line here is our 50 moving average. Treat it as resistance and treat it as support. You can see as we broke through on August 1st, we are retracing and hopefully hitting at the top of the Bollinger Band here. We did fall short and then kind of dangling around the 50 MA. So as we can see where the price is at, it is right below the 50 MA, which essentially if we do close below it, it's going to take this bull market into more of a bear market here. As we can see the histograms of our MACD indicator at the very bottom of the screen, we are getting lighter in the color, and normally lighter in the color for our MACD indicator shows weakness of this current trend. So again, a point of interest here, you guys, at the 50 MA at an area of support. Weakness in the MACD indicator, we are most likely again going to continue to retrace down. And if we do see a huge surge of the volume in the selling side of things, then again, be prepared for price to come down to the $30.58 here. So we're going to be watching this on a daily to see where we're able to hold the support. Our RSI itself has initiated a buy signal here from the previous week. However, it does look like it's going to turn down once again. Let's monitor again the lines here on a daily average, and I'll update you guys for tomorrow. Taking a look on a daily, you guys, we can see again, price itself retraced to an area of resistance here at $39.85. Not only that, once we are talking about moving averages, so far today, we have actually crossed over and closed below our 20 moving average, which is this orange line here. So the trend itself from uptrend came down to more of a bear trend. As we see the volume so far again today is 658,000. We are heavy in the selling, and if we double check our RSI here, you guys, it does look like it had a nice bounce. It looked like it was going to cross over on a downtrend, but it does look like it's going to come up very small. Doesn't look like the surge or the impulse is really big here for the RSI, only at 29 and 31%. However, what's going to pull us back today is our MACD indicator. So if we take a look at the MACD indicator, it has initially flipped over from the green to the red. We saw the weakness of the previous week here. The bar itself is quite small and the color is very light, signaling the trend itself is coming to an end. A possible reversal is going to occur, and we see it today here. So we see this crossover here above our 0%, and we see the red marker. So as price is coming down, essentially here is where we want to catch ourselves, which we have so far in this bottom wick at $32.90. If we take a look at another area of support here, you guys, it's going to be this couple of candlesticks retracing down to $31.89. So if the price itself does not catch ourselves either at the 78% of our fib, watch out for the $31.89 range to see if we're able to hold the support once again, or if we're going to be breaking down from it. Heading over to our 2-hour time frame, I am zoomed out extremely here, you guys, just essentially showing you some point of interest of dollar amounts of our profile volume, which is on the right hand side, the blue and yellow indicator. This here measures how much volume at a dollar trade, essentially at the volume that you see at the bottom that measures trades per hour. This measures trades per dollar. So if we can see, here is a point of interest at $32.98. We've already reached and excelled further than that so far for today. But if you can see on the left-hand side, you guys, at this point of interest, there's a lot of candlesticks back in the end of August, early September has actually retraced to this level of support. So knowing that the bottom of the candlestick itself, or the wick, so far for the 2 hours has hold support. We see again confirmation earlier or later yesterday, it held support at this level. We're going to come and retest the level once again. We can see the RSI is switched over in the previous candlestick here, hitting resistance. It flipped over, giving us a sell signal. As price is retracing downwards, we can see the RSI is retracing downwards as well. So again, be prepared for the price to retest this multiple times in the 2 hours today of the $32.80. And if we do drop that down, as I'm pulling out for our volume indicator here, we can really see the next nodes is roughly around the 78% of our fib, which again is $32.53. So those are our next targets, you guys, to see. Price for Ethereum Classic is going to come down. We do see Ethereum come down. We see Bitcoin coming down. So it is only apparent that other altcoins do come down as well. So be very, very cautious of that for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.